Hello, welcome guys to the next project of the project series. In the previous video, we made a job description app, and for today, we are going to make the hostel management app, in which we can show the details of the room in our hostel and give the user our information about if the room is occupied or not. So, without wasting time, let's jump into the project. So, for the project, the thing the packages which are we going to integrate is Google Fonts. So we just have to type Flutter pub add Google Fonts and the package will automatically add the perfect.yml. After which the file structure is like we are only going to use main as start. It is a picking up friendly project. So without wasting time, let's jump to the project. So firstly, let's make a void function. After or inside which we can define our run app function. Perfect. So we have included thing. So after that, we have to define a class of the room. So let's call a class and define the room. So this project will be based on the model structure of our clean code structure. So for which we are going to make a model. So for the model of room, we want to add a number, like the room number as a first property, and the second property is of the bool type, which is is available, which is used for if the room is empty, then it will be on, and if the empty will be if the room is not empty, then it will be occupied. So for that, we are going to define it as a bool. So this is are the the two properties which we are going to use. And the next thing which we are going to integrate, firstly let's make a constructor for this. So constructor is always has the same name, and inside which we can add required this dot number and comma, again required this dot is it perfect. So by default we want this value to be true, which tells us the thing is require filled, the room is filled by default. Perfect. So we have defined the class. Now let's go to the screen. The screen will be of stateless widget. So for the screen, let's name it as my app. The similar thing we can pass over our run app function. So this is our the basic structure for the project, and let's start with defining the things about the project or the list or a function. So for that, firstly, I'm going to define the list of the rooms which we are going to have in our hotel. So for the list, we define list and we want the room according to our model. So we have defined this data type as a model. So let's name it as a room, and inside which we can define the thing. So for that, I've copied some list and just paste it over here. Perfect. If we want, we can increase the number. Let's increase two more and give it one here, give two here. So perfect. We have defined the list. After this, let's move to the part where we are going to design our body. So for that, firstly, let's remove this with a scaffold on not scaffold, a material app inside which we can define some of the properties debug checker will be false as always. And home. So for the home, we kind of need another screen. So for that, let's call a stateful widget cause the state of the screen will be changed after we are going to make like it is for occupied or for not occupied. So let's name the screen as a room list. Perfect. The same thing we can copy here, and we have to give it some properties. So for the properties, we want to give it here as firstly inherit this list. Perfect. And for list we have room, and the other thing we have to remove this constant here. So we can just give required this dot rooms. Perfect. Perfect. We can also perfect. So we have made our another screen. So now we can define the details. So for like designing the body, firstly let's replace it with a scaffold. Perfect. Inside scaffold, we have app bar. So for the app bar, we can make a normal app bar with title. The title will be that in the form of text, which is hostel rooms. After which we can define a body. Inside body, we want list view builder. Perfect. And for builder, we want this, and in return, we want a list style. Perfect. So for the list style, I can give a title. Title will be in the form of text as always. And for the subtitle, we also want the text. Is it a label? If it is like true, then if it is like not true, we can give it as available, and if it is true, then we can show as occupied. Perfect. So next thing we want to this inside which we want a switch. For the switch, we want first a value, and for the value will be a widget dot loans dot index dot perfect, and not changed. We want to just switch the case from true to false. Perfect. So this is it. The thing we can also like include is to like make make it some like good UIs kind of. So we can give a style here of Google Forms of Poppins and font size of 20 and color of white and font weight of 20. Oh, bold. Perfect. So we can copy this style and paste it everywhere we have the title. Only thing we have to change is make it as a black. Okay, so let's try to build it first and uh, see what the changes we can make afterwards. So I think our app is built. Now we can check it. So this is occupied and available. Now we can change some things like we can give it as a 16 and make it as a upload. Perfect. Now check it. Perfect. Room is occupied and room is empty. So we can, I think we have exceeded the limit. Or the thing we forgot is to give item count to this. So for the item count, we want widget dot rooms dot length. I think now the problem will be solved. Perfect. And we can also give the elevation property as 0. Perfect. So if our room is available, we can like this, or if it is occupied, then we can like close it. If we have the students on 107, 105, and 103 or 105. So if any student will come for get information about the hostel rooms, so we can say that like room 02 is available or 34 is available, 106 and 107 is occupied and 12 is also occupied. So this is our app. The thing like you can also integrate is like the capacity for this. We can add like new property over here like similar to this as a capacity. Perfect. And capacity. And here we can define capacity as a 2 because it is an int. And similar thing we can display over here. Uh, a row and inside row can have a text copied from here, changes to capacity and capacity. Perfect. We can change some of the capacity like 3 to 4, 3, 4, 1, 3. Perfect. And can give some size box of it 10. So we can rebuild this and see what the changes we got. Um, can we shift this? Type null is not a subtype of int or the function result. I think we have some error. So like we have to give some capacity to let's try to like rebuild that. If we get it, then it will be fine. Or if not, then perfect. So we have the like capacity as 2, capacity as 3, capacity is 4, capacity is 5, capacity is 6. Okay. So if like room is occupied. So here we can also store multiple details like flooring, fan, AC room. So as per your choice, we just have to like define some more properties over our room class. So that is it for today, guys, and thank you for watching. If you like the video, make sure to like subscribe to our channel and share the video to your friends. And thank you for watching. Let's meet in another project. Bye.